In the previous videos, we've talked about the pros and cons of joint bank accounts and how to choose between joint and separate accounts and how to effectively manage money as a couple. I'll put links to these videos at the end of this one. Today in this quick video, we'll talk about how to set a financial goal as a couple. Welcome to Lifestyle Therapy channel, stay tuned. Deciding between joint and separate accounts is not an easy decision, and what works for one couple may not work for the others. If you're struggling to decide which approach will work for you, try asking yourself these questions about your financial goals as a couple. The answers to this question will quickly reveal which strategy you prefer. Here are some questions to answer with your partner. How will we pay off debts? Will you be responsible for paying off your debts, or will the couple work together to pay off all debts? How will we save for retirement? Is your retirement something you will save for jointly, or does one partner have an excellent retirement package offered through their employer? How will we handle everyday expenses like grocery and rents? Would you prefer that everyday expenses be divided up between partners or funneled through a joint account? How will we handle emergencies? Will you maintain your own emergency fund in a high-interest saving accounts and handle emergency only affecting you, or will you save for them jointly as a couple? How will we save for major goals? Will you each save money for goals separately, or will you open a joint account and contribute as a couple? Talking through each of these questions with your partner will help you determine whether a joint account or separate account will work for you, or whether a hybrid system is a better approach. But remember that your financial goals are not set in stone. Priorities and goals can change over time, and you often won't know for sure whether you will like something until after you've actually experienced it, and life can be pretty unpredictable despite the best laid plans. Be prepared to tweak your financial goals as you go along, letting go of the ones that no longer mesh with your life goals and making room for the new ones that come along. To know more about this topic, I highly recommend you watch these videos, and if you'd like more information about your relationship and money or financial in general, please let me know by posting your question in the comments below. I'll then make a separate video about that topic as well. Thanks for watching and see you soon.